so thrilled to be able to introduce you to Wendy Buchanan, who owns Perceptions Eyewear. She is the person I go to and send many of my clients to get their eyewear, and I'm thrilled because it's the end of the day at Studio Fontana today, where I've had a full day of color analysis clients, and Wendy has stopped in to get me
with glasses.
Eyeglasses, because I needed some. Stay tuned. So I'm thrilled you're here, Wendy.
Thank you. We've had fun this afternoon.
Can you share with the group the importance of wearing eyewear in your colors and style? It's a big deal.
It's as important to wear the right colors in eyewear, probably more than even in the clothing, because it's right here. It's on your face, and to pull out the right eye color. And once we know the proper colors, the colors that you wear well or that anyone wears well, it makes the process of buying glasses so much simpler, because we narrow it down by color. Then we start to play with shapes and sizes based on your face shape and your body type too, because we're not just a head. We've got to look at the whole body when we're choosing glasses. And then the fun part is really pulling out your personality type in the frames, because there's all kinds of trends. We could go on forever. You can read about the trends, but it's getting the right style on the right person for their personality.
Agreed. and me, myself, I love a little creative touch to my glasses. So Wendy comes here with a fantastic mix of creative and types of glasses, and also different personality style of glasses to service everyone's eyewear needs.
Well, it's just pulling all of those pieces together is how you get that pair of frames that you just go, I'm looking good, you know? It's like the right jacket or the right sweater in the right color, and you feel better.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. And what I will add is, with my color analysis expertise, putting glasses around your eyes that are not in harmony with your color palette can really, take out the sparkle away from your eye color and magnify wrinkles. All not things I want.
We don't want to do any of that.
So
should we show good or bad?
Let's go good first.
Okay.
So here is my new eyewear that I'm going to be getting from Wendy today. Here it is. Everybody knows I love pink in my colors, so there's a little splash of pink in these, and there's this fun creative detail on the bottom of the frame that I just love. And so, if you look at me with these glasses, I'm just going to move up so it's on the screen. They're really, adding sparkle to my eye color and a lift to my face, in my opinion.
And it has a sheen. The material has a nice sheen, which complements your eyes, and that's what's giving it the sparkle. What I like too is that it's following the shape of your brow perfectly, and I like that this contour is accentuating your cheekbones, and we've actually followed the line of your chin. And that's why it works so well. It's all of those little pieces that, intuitively when something, you go, I like that, but it's knowing why it's working and why, or sometimes, which we're going to show, is how we could do things just a little bit better.
And I know once I put these on, I knew these were the ones. So that's the good pair, but now we're going to show you a pair that is not really in my best colors. And while the shape may suit my face, Wendy might not agree.
I like the shape on you.
The color, look at this gold. So everybody who watches this channel knows I'm a true summer, so cool, soft colors are most in harmony with me. This gold is really taking away the sparkle from my eye, and then this frame here has orange and a brown color that is not in my palette. my energy feels off, you know, and I'm just not seeing the sparkle
It
here.
is flat, so the material has no sheen to it. So you know when you look at different fabrics in your clothing that sometimes have a little bit of a silk thread, it gives it a sheen. This one is flat, and flat
Yeah.
on you does you no justice. This ages you. This flat
Yeah.
gold, it just goes flat. It's like, "Bleh."
Yeah. And I feel blah,
Yeah.
right? And I don't want to be given that energy
And
out.
I want to comment that when we first put these on, Carol, her face scrunched up and your body language changed. Like she became a different person. It was
Yeah.
like, okay, yeah, those are awful.
Yeah.
Now we knew they were. We were playing with it to make a point, but it's how your whole body embraces the vibe and the feel of it on your face.
Yeah, and so here's the ones, and so as
love them.
I'm so excited for these to come in my prescription. So thank you, Wendy,
Thanks for having me. I appreciate
participating. And if you are in Toronto, Canada, I will provide a link below to this video's description to
Yeah, thank you.
Wendy's website. She again owns Perceptions Eyewear, and she even extends beyond Toronto, Canada geographically as well. Check her site out because it's awesome, and I know I've had many clients, many clients love the eyewear
It's
provided
such
by
a
you.
fun accessory,
Yeah.
and it's so every time it's like you start with a blank canvas, and then it's figuring out, you know, knowing the colors once they've seen you, and then knowing the style and putting it all together. It's a lot of fun. It's a fun experience.
Yeah. So thank you, Wendy,
Thank
so
you.
much.